Look at this lovely bowl full of fresh, ripe Longan fruit. You might also know them by their beautiful nickname. Dragon's eyes, right? If you cut one open, that shiny black seed sitting in the translucent flesh looks just like an eye. It's so clever. They taste wonderfully sweet and juicy, and they're really good for you too. Packed with vitamin C to help keep your immune system strong, plus iron, potassium, and antioxidants that give you a gentle energy boost, support your heart health, and even help keep your skin looking healthy. And the absolute best part is we don't throw away those seeds. Most people toss them straight in the bin, but we can grow such pretty, unique plants from them, super easily at home, no special tools needed at all. First, take all the seeds out of the fruit and wash them really well under running water until every tiny bit of sweet flesh is completely gone. If even a little bit stays stuck to the seed, it will turn moldy during soaking, and we don't want that. Once they're nice and clean, pop all the seeds into a bowl of fresh, cool water and let them sit and soak here for a full 24 hours. This softens their tough, hard outer shell, so the tiny new root can push through much faster, and you won't have to wait nearly as long for them to sprout. After one whole day of soaking, take them out and give them one quick rinse. Get a clean container, lay down a sheet of plain white tissue paper, place all your seeds evenly on top, then cover them gently with another sheet of tissue. Spray it all really well with water until everything feels soft and damp, but make sure it's not dripping wet. We don't want them sitting in puddles. Then slide the whole container inside one of those clear freezer bags you pick up from Woolworths, squeeze out the extra air, and seal it tight to lock in all that lovely moisture. Now put it somewhere dark and warm, like inside a cupboard, a drawer, or even a closed pantry shelf, and try not to peek too often. It usually takes around 16 days, sometimes a little longer depending on how warm your home is, so just be patient and let nature do its work. When you check back after those weeks, you'll see tiny pale roots starting to grow right from that little eye mark on each seed. Isn't that such an exciting surprise? Now you can grow them in two completely different ways, whichever look you like best. The first way is my favorite. Rest a small piece of clean net or mesh over a plastic cup or glass jar. Sit the seeds gently on top so only the very bottom of the roots touch the water inside. Place it somewhere bright, right near a window but out of harsh direct sun. You'll notice the new leaves unfurl a lovely soft golden-orange color at first, looking so warm and pretty, then slowly fade into that rich, deep, glossy green as they get older and get used to the light. You can keep them growing in water permanently as a beautiful low-maintenance indoor plant. Just top up the water when it gets low, and swap it out for fresh, clean water once every 1 to 2 weeks so it doesn't go cloudy. Or if you prefer, once the seedlings grow a bit bigger and stronger, you can carefully plant them into a pot with good quality potting mix, and later move them outside to a warm, sheltered, sunny spot in your garden if you like. The other fun method I tried. I set another batch on a net over a jar exactly the same way, but kept this one tucked away inside a dark closet instead of near the window. When I opened it after the same 16 days or so, they had grown leaves perfectly well too, but these stayed that soft golden brown or light orange shade. That's just how Longan leaves grow when they don't get much light, and it makes such a pretty, unusual look you won't see everywhere. Just a few simple care tips to keep them happy. If growing in water, never let the roots dry out completely and always keep the water fresh. If you plant them in soil, keep the mix lightly damp, never soaking wet or bone dry, and give them bright, gentle light, no harsh midday sun. They love warmth, so keep them away from cold drafts or frosty windows. It's such a lovely, satisfying little project. Enjoy your delicious fruit first, then grow something beautiful and unique from what most people just throw away.